Hello Dnation and welcome back. In today's episode, we are going to be unboxing a replica of the BMW R1100R, which is a 118 scale diecast motorcycle replica manufactured by Bburago. And I'm going to be showing you the features and the specifications of this amazing diecast motorcycle replica. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. So, before we get to the good stuff, let's take a quick look at the boxing as always. This BMW R1100R replica comes in the clamshell window type box, which is a standard boxing by Bburago. So as you can see, bang in the middle is the Bburago logo alongside the name of this model, which is the BMW R1100R. And on this bottom corner of the box, you will see the Bburago branding alongside with the scale of this model, which is a 118 scale, alongside the Italian design branding, which is pretty much the same on the top of the box, the sides, and on the back as well. And finally, on the bottom of the box, you will find quite a bit of legal information regarding this diecast model, so kindly pause if you want to take a read. So with no further ado, let's get this opened. So before we begin, I just want to let you know that I've done an exclusive unboxing of this 118 scale BMW R1100R red variant, which is manufactured by Welly, of which I'll drop a link in the description. So go check it out if you're interested and let me know which one of these variants are your favorite in the comments below. And with that out of the way, my first thoughts about this diecast replica is that it has quite a good and sturdy build quality and made of diecast for the most part, with a few components made of ABS plastic with some good details, which is standard with the Bburago motorcycle replicas for the most part. And I should admit that this model looks quite amazing and looks exactly like its real life counterpart. So getting down to a few features and specifications, this model comes with a black chassis with a shade of blue color scheme with minimalistic BMW branding. This replica comes with a fully chrome steerable front fork and also comes with a well-detailed headlight and a pair of front turn signals, which are also in chrome, which seamlessly flow into a fully chrome speedometer and a handlebar, which comes with a pair of hand grips and clutch and brake levers, which are in black. Moving down is a two-tone blue and silver front fender that wraps around a beautiful 3-spoke chrome alloy style wheel and a rubber tire with a double disc brake unit, which is in silver. And moving on to the midsection, this fuel tank is well sculpted and painted in a shade of blue with the BMW logo on both sides. And moving down to the heart of this ride lies a beautiful and well-detailed boxer engine sculpt, which is in metallic grey for the most part with highlights in black and chrome, along with a single exhaust which is in chrome as well. And talking about the seat, it's a double seat which is in black that flows into a well sculpted tailpiece which has hand grips, a rear tail light and a number plate. And the rear wheel setup is just the same as the front but comes with a chain and sprocket unit along with a single disc brake unit which is in chrome. And just so you know, the rear wheel setup comes with quite a bit of suspension unlike the front, which is rigid. And this model comes with free rolling wheels and a side kickstand in case you want to display it. And as far as the specs go, this replica measures in at 4.5 inches in length, 3 inches in height, 2.5 inches in width, and weighs in approximately at about 110 grams, which are standard 118 scale diecast motorcycle specs. And with that out of the way, all I can say is that this is a beautiful and well detailed diecast replica of the BMW R1100. And I'm glad I got this variant to add to my 118 scale diecast motorcycle collection. So let's go ahead and make a side-by-side comparison of these BMW R1100R replicas, and please do let me know which one of these variants are your favorite in the comments below. So let's go ahead and take a look. Well, all I can say is that both these replicas have a good build quality and are amazing and look unique in their own way. So please let me know which one of these variants are your favorite in the comments below. So overall, this is a beautiful diecast replica with some awesome details and is a definite must-have for any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist, especially if you are a BMW enthusiast. And in case you're interested, kindly find further features, specifications and the best buy link for this diecast replica in the description below. So with that out of the way, let's place this amazing and well-detailed BMW R1100R replica on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and its functionality. Well, the functionality seems to be perfect and just as beautiful as its well-detailed exteriors. And this BMW motorcycle replica gets a massive thumbs up from me for its looks as well as for its functionality. So with that being said, let's place this amazing diecast replica on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this diecast beauty in a 360-degree view, and stay tuned for some fun facts on the BMW R1100R coming up. The BMW R1100R is a standard motorcycle with a 1085cc air or oil-cooled flat twin engine made by BMW Motorrad from 1994 through 1999. Like all the brand's motorcycle of this period, all 53,685 units were made at BMW's Spandau, Berlin factory. The R1100R was succeeded by the model year 2001's R1150R. Cycle World was impressed with the 1995 R1100R's comfort, versatility, overall quality and successful combination of a venerable engine and frame layout with the latest technology, while noting the fussiness of the idiosyncratic control and accessory operations. The R1100R chassis and engine are identical to the BMW R1100GS, while the front brake is from the R1100RS. And for further information on the BMW R1100R, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this amazing BMW R1100R replica, I dropped the best buy link in the description below, so go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts about this amazing BMW diecast motorcycle replica. And I would like to take a moment to thank all my Dnation subscribers and followers for your constant support and feedback, and it is much appreciated. So kindly continue to support Dnation by liking and sharing our videos, and in case you missed out on our previous episodes, do check out the rest of the 112 scale and the 118 scale diecast motorcycle episodes in the playlist below. And this brings us to the end of this diecast motorcycle episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, a like, comment and share would be much appreciated. And kindly support Dnation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. Also do follow us at dnation.in on Instagram for daily diecast previews and updates, and stay tuned for all new diecast motorcycle episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.